So this is another listings. This is 4,698 square meters, clean title for 5 million pesos, located in Barangay Kagting, Ubay, Bohol, with a residential house, ideal for commercial and farming. So a rest house development, no? You will just add your development. This is along concrete road overlooking to the sea. So nindot kayo ni, it's a northern part of Bohol province, guys, no. This is the property. The price is still negotiable, 5 million. Manegotiate man yun na, guys. So the good thing of the property is elevated and overlooking to the sea. Then few minutes drive from the beaches, mga kaliguanan. Then there are also fishermen, no? Makapalit ka mga isda nga barato da, guys. So mo na naka-nindot sa, then very quiet even if it is along concrete road. Then there's still a portion of the top of the property, sa ibabaw padapit na pay portion that you can still develop a residential or rest house. So you can do more things, development in the area. So nindot kayo siya, guys. Improvements, one story house, gated. Then there are several fruit trees, mango and kuan, guys, papaya. Then there's gamay ra gyud mga duha ra sa kalubi, two coconut trees. So mao ni siya, guys, no. You can get your car inside to the property, develop na ba, okay naman. So this one, no, ibabaw pa ni is part of the property. Kamala siya, guys, no. By the way, guys, na iminterios dool ani mga 100 meters away. There's is a cemetery. Para di na lang kita maglangay ba na may uban nga di ganahan dool minteryo. So there's a cemetery o sa Catholic 100 meters away from the property. So as you can see, no, the house has an aircon. So reason for selling, no, the owner will go abroad, pakuyogon siyang anak, paadtoon, papason siyang anak. So no problem with the property. Okay. So very nice. So this is the drone video, no. Kita na tong dagat, guys. See, meaning kini nga property, guys, dool na ni sa dagat or dool na sa mga face pan. Fresh air, no. So again, 7 kilometers from town proper. So pinataas ang iyang balay. Kanang sakyanan not included, the car is not included. So basta there is still part of the property, no. There's ibabaw gamay. So that is the transportation, guys. You can hire a tricycle. There is also a schedule of series bus liner nga masulod ya, guys, na ay truck, passenger truck will go in this location. Pero schedule sila, schedule. So meaning nindot sad di kayo, guys, gusto kag malinaw, no. So narang owner dia, you can talk with the owner directly. Actually the owner is good man, ayong tao, no problem, no. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So mana siya, guys. So this is the interior part of the house, no. Kanang mao gini siya, kanang Tawagan na basta nindot mo. This is the front of the house. So, ano siya? Dahil natimpag gamay ra kayo. Ihono na guys. There's a riprap where damage, no, but it can be fixed. Ano siya guys. Nindot diri, nindot. So, mana guys. Nindot kayong location, 7 km from town proper, more or less. Mana property. Pero sa ibabaw pa ng balay, it's still part of the property, mga basta sakto-sakto po. Kay 4,000 manikapin ang area, 4,000 square meters plus. So, okay. Again, thank you. Thank you very much and God bless to all. So, mura kaga overlooking diri guys. Mura na ka overlooking. So, nice, very nice property.